Alyssa, here's a box for you.
Package! Hey guys, what's up? And today I'll be filming a video where I unbox this package which my parents bought for me and I didn't even know of. And before we do that, be sure to check out my video that I filmed yesterday before you watch this video, where my dad got me a tripod, and I understand that because I have a camera and I didn't have one. And he has another surprise. So yeah, let's open this. I think this side might be easier. Okay. Oh my God! SIM card. Okay. What is
It's
this?
SD card.
SD card. It's a camera! Oh my God! My parents bought me a camera. Look! I've been wanting this for so long. Yes. Okay.
It's a camcorder.
Wow. This is amazing. I've been wanting this for so long, and they even got me the SD. So this camera is a 4K camera, aka camcorder, a beauty camera with capacity touch panel. It on the top it says it's a 524 km 4K camera. It has night vision, aka night shot, Wi-Fi. Wow! It has beauty mode, and its max capacity is 48 megapixels. And the brand is Kenuo. And the location and the place I bought it from, in case you are interested in getting this camera, is Amazon. And in the second episode of this, I will be actually reviewing the camera, and I will show you how it works and how good it is. And I will do a review card. So now let's open this. Which way do I open it? Okay, oh, found it. Oh my God. Look at this. Guys, look. Oh my God. Okay. Put all of these to the side. Okay. So it has the HDMI port, Dad. Is that what you call it?
Yes.
It has that. Has the user manuals. Oh my God, open the box. Why can't I open the box? Okay. Box. Okay, so comes with, are these batteries?
Yep.
Comes with 2 batteries. Comes with oh, I think this is like something for the lens. Yeah. Comes with that. What else does it come with? What is this? Let's see what this is. Wow, it has a nice pouch. Wow. It's not coming out. Okay. Oh, God. Okay, so it comes with the lens. Oh my God, this is a micro lens and a wide angle lens. What? Guys, look, this side is the wide angle lens, and this side is the micro lens. That is so cool. Put that to the side. Here you go. Okay, next it has a cloth, obviously. Okay, it has another HDMI port. Interesting. Look inside. It has oh yeah, it has another port in case you live in a different country, I guess. Has a thingamajigger. Hey Dad, do you know what this is called?
It's for the microphone.
Oh, it's for the microphone. And now, what's this? Wait, it has a microphone? It comes with a microphone, can you guys? Oh my God! And the most important thing, get rid of no wait, there's something else inside. Has an extra battery. Don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but it's a button cell. And the most important thing. of them all. Okay, here we go. It's the camcorder. Oh my god. Look at this. So beautiful. Okay. Wow. Just wow. Okay. So that's everything that comes with it. You can connect the microphone to it, and it comes with all of this stuff. And in the future, I will be doing another video on how to use the camcorder. So thank you guys all so much for watching my unboxing and staying till the end of the video. Subscribe. One love, Supergirl. That is that. My name is Elisa, and I'll see you guys next time.